So I'm gonna make this video for the successful guys who are struggling with dating. My name is Logan Duong. I'm a Marine Corps veteran, self-made millionaire, dating coach, host of the Alphas Only Club podcast on Spotify, which is award-winning, and I've also built multiple seven-figure businesses. But nothing has humbled me more than getting ghosted by someone I actually cared about. Success doesn't make dating easier. It actually makes it more complicated. In this video, I'm going to be revealing the 3 silent struggles high achieving men face in dating and how to fix them. And if you ever felt like your success works against you in relationships, then you're going to want to watch this video. So why is it that so many powerful men feel powerless in love? And this is something I like to call the success trap. But first, let me tell you about one of my clients. His name is David. He's worth over $12 million and he runs a portfolio of tech companies. He lives in a Manhattan high-rise, which is super fucking nice. And he goes on a date with this chick, okay? She's stunning, but she only talks about his career, his car, and his life. And after dinner, he texts me. He's like, Logan, I feel like a walking LinkedIn profile. And here's the reality. Status attracts attention, not connection. So here's how you kind of fix that. In your first few dates, pull back on the lifestyle flex. Talk less about your world and instead ask about hers. Lead with curiosity and be the man who sees her for who she is, not the man who's trying to impress her. And the right girl, she's going to value that presence more than your status and prestige and success. Another thing is the control dilemma. And I've led men in simulation combat scenarios. I've scaled companies past 8 figures. I literally thrive on control, precision, outcomes, and logic. But when it comes to dating, however, it doesn't follow those blueprints. And you can't spreadsheet attraction. And if you try, you're going to basically sabotage the very connection you're looking for. So here's how you kind of fix that as well. Is you need to drop the business mindset. You need to adopt the curious and playful mindset. And you need to let the relationship and the dating experience breathe. You need to show up playful, okay? Not so fucking calculated, because dating isn't war and it's basically art. And it rewards the bold, not the over-prepared. And so when I go into an interaction with a girl, my mindset is in a curious, playful mode, okay? Not logical, not having prepared questions like other dating coaches and pickup artists are going to tell you. I don't take the interaction seriously. I don't take her seriously. I don't even take what I do seriously. I tease her. I make fun of her. I make jokes, and we have fun. While also being curious on who she is by asking good quality questions. The last mistake is being on the extreme sides of the pendulum. And there are 2 ways that men lose in dating. One, you're the over-armored guy, the CEO, the Marine, the machine. You've been taught to stay stoic, unshaken, untouchable, and you're respected but not felt. Women say, you're great on paper, but they couldn't connect with you and they couldn't feel a connection. And you're not cold, you're just emotionally invisible to them. Then there's the other extreme, the overly soft, approval-seeking guy, and you're kind, you're open, and emotionally available, but you've got no edge. And you chase her validation, you overtext, you overcommit too soon, and you call it, oh, I'm just being vulnerable, I'm just being honest with her. But what she really feels is neediness. So here's the fix I learned from being on both sides of these extremes. You don't need to keep fucking swinging from one side to the other. You need to have integrated masculinity, okay? And the kind that holds presence, power, and emotional intelligence. You need to show leadership in the moment. Show honesty in your flaws. And keep in mind, women like to fix things, okay? And so it's okay to say things like, yeah, I built a lot. Yeah, I've also failed big. And I'm not perfect. And I'm okay with that, right? And that's not weakness. That's not you trying to be all perfect. That's just magnetic. And it's exactly what the right woman is wanting to see. So to end off this video with David, the guy we started with earlier, he started doing this, and he stopped dating as a business owner and a brand and started dating as a man. And 6 months later, he actually met someone who looked at him and just said, "Oh my God, I'm so thankful that I can just be around you and relax. I don't even need to think," right? He no longer went from a business transaction and talking to girls like it was an interview. He actually had girls who were saying, "This was a rare feeling I'm feeling. I feel like I could just exhale and relax and breathe." And that's real. And that's exactly what kind of reaction you're looking for when you're talking to a girl. If you're a successful man who's tired of feeling unseen, misunderstood, or just frustrated with modern dating, here's what I got for you. Head to loganduong.com right now to grab your free ebooks on my website. Also, join the newsletter for new books coming soon that I'm currently writing, and apply for coaching. I'm going to show you how to attract the right women, attractive women with strength, but also authenticity. And hey, if you got value in this video, subscribe if you want more truth bombs and not stupid fucking tactics. And also drop a comment down below of what is your biggest dating challenge you have faced as a high value man, because I can guarantee you right now, dating does not get easier with more success.
The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a finance home, and that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me, leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally, and the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members, east of the DVP. We got members, press on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You want shots for the